Apply the PTFE tape in a clockwise direction, ensuring the thread is adequately covered. Then attach the supplied float cord to the lever arm. Screw the float valve into the trough inlet by hand, using the body of the valve until tight. Finish tightening using the body of the valve with a wrench or multi-grips until tight. Thread the float cord through the anti-tangle tubing and measure against the side of the trough for the desired water level. Trim the tube if required. Attach the float to the cord, checking the float position to achieve the required water level. The water level can be adjusted by adjusting the length of the cord at the float end. Once the desired water level is set, trim the excess cord.